Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, I will show a really simple way how you can create an XML sitemap in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here to plugins and add a new plugin. Now, you just want to write here XML and just wait. And you're gonna see here this all-in-one SEO pack. Click here on install now. When you're gonna install it, click activate. Right here, you will have it right under the dashboard. And you're gonna see here XML sitemap, right? And right here, yes, you need to have only one SEO plugin. You're gonna see like, okay, you get a schedule updates here, maximum post types what you want to, it's here, appear in your sitemap, also media attachments, okay, exclude images, Google News, sitemap post types, really simple things that you can play around it, update, okay. And now you're gonna see here, this is like going to be the first thing you're gonna see. You can navigate to your sitemap using the links below. Okay. And now you're gonna see it right here. So I got the URL here. And I can see the priority here. Nice. And I can see everything. So this is pretty much it. And this is how you can create your own sitemap in WordPress. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Also, you can test other plugins if you want, but this is probably it. So I hope I helped you somehow. Thank you, everybody. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.